Hello, everyone, and welcome to this podcast on the effects of oxidation reactions in everyday life from the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations. We are all aware of the fact that oxygen is the most essential for sustaining life. One can live without food or even water for a number of days, but not without oxygen. It is involved in a variety of reactions which have a wide range of effects on our daily life. Most of them are quite useful, while a few may be harmful in nature. Let us discuss some of these effects in brief. Combustion reactions. A chemical reaction in which a substance burns or gets oxidized in the presence of air or oxygen is called combustion reaction. For example, kerosene, coal, charcoal, wood, etc. burn in air and thus undergo combustion. Methane, a major constituent of natural gas, undergoes combustion in excess of oxygen upon heating and gives carbon dioxide and water vapor as products. Remember that all the combustion reactions are oxidation reactions in nature. Corrosion. We often find that the surfaces of many metals become either dull or are slowly eaten up when these are kept in open for a long period. This is called corrosion. For example, the surface of copper acquires a green coating due to the formation of basic copper carbonate, which is CuOH twice dot CuCO3. This is because of a chemical reaction that has taken place in the metal and the constituents of air. Similarly, articles made of silver acquire a black coating when exposed to air for a few days. In this case, traces of hydrogen sulfide gas present in the air react with silver to form silver sulfide, which is black. In case iron is the metal involved in the chemical process, the corrosion is called rusting. Rust is hydrated ferric oxide and is brown in color. Iron slowly reacts with oxygen and water vapors present in air to form a brown mass known as rust. Both corrosion and rusting are very harmful and cause damage to the buildings, railway tracks, automobiles, and other objects where metals are used. We quite often hear that an old building has collapsed on its own, causing loss of both lives and property. This is on account of the rusting of iron. Rancidity. Oxidation also has damaging effects on food and eatables. When food containing fat and oil is left as such for a long time, it becomes stale. The stale food often develops bad taste and smell. Actually, the oils and fats are slowly oxidized to certain bad smelling compounds. These are of volatile nature and release foul smell. This is known as rancidity. It may be defined as a slow oxidation of oils and fats present in food materials, resulting in bad smell and taste. Methods to check rancidity. Following measures can be adopted to prevent or slow down rancidity. Food materials are often packed in airtight containers. Oxygen has no access to them and oxidation resulting in rancidity is prevented. Refrigeration of food also slows down rancidity. In bags containing potato chips and other similar stuff, the air is quite often replaced by nitrogen. This checks the oxidation as well as rancidity. It is also advisable to place food materials and cook food in places away from direct sunlight. This will slow down the process of rancidity. Also, sometimes antioxidants are added to food to prevent rancidity. I hope this podcast will help you to understand the concept of corrosion and rancidity. Thank you.